Hey everyone, if you are in the Austin market and you have purchased your home, finally, right? Finally, we can find something that we can afford. We've closed on it, and here comes April, the property tax assessment. Yes, it's gone up tremendously from last year. It's been nuts. It's been crazy. There are some families that I closed on that were they purchased their house in the Del Valley area for 300,000, and that was just last year. It's now being assessed at 500,000. How do we get a grip of these rates? I mean, of not the rates, these increases of, how much homes are gaining year over year on equity. Now that we purchased our home, now the uphill battle that we have to worry about is property tax assessments. Um, I'm just here to cover a couple of tips of how we can take advantage of opportunities that are available to you. And the first one that I would highly, highly recommend that you need to do today, we have until April 30th, is to file our homestead exemption. Everybody across the board qualifies for it as long as this is your primary residence. Now, if this is your primary residence, all you need is your driver's license that's going to support that you live at that address. So the address on your driver's license needs to match the address that you are submitting your homestead exemption for. And you can do this online at your local county local county appraisal website, the CAD, the local CAD for you guys. So if you live in Travis County, look up Travis CAD and file for your homestead exemption. You know what, just to make things easier, I'm going to post the link down below for local counties here for you guys to file for that exemption. Not only do you qualify for that exemption, there is a possibility that there's 6 other exemptions that are available to you. Now, a couple of popular ones is the 65 and up exemption, the disability or disabled persons exemption. And then there is a surviving spouse for a veteran that died in military combat. That is another exemption that you may, or a family member may qualify for. Make sure you guys see whatever it is that you qualify for and apply it. If you have to upload supporting documents, do that, whatever it takes. There's actually another option that you have as well to help sustain your mortgage payment. Of course, it's going to increase year over year because your house is going to be assessed for more over the years. But with that homestead exemption, this puts you at a 10% cap of what you can be assessed for year over year. So those families that purchased their house at 300,000 now are now being assessed for 500,000. You can only be assessed up to 10% for that new value. That's what the homestead exemption is for. The other option that I think you should probably look into as well is, of course, petitioning your property taxes. Now, a couple of ways of how you can do that is contact your local real estate agent, see if they're willing to do that. Right now, we're flooded with so many clients that we're trying to get in with rates increasing and things like that. So it may not be a possibility, but there is a third party that you can hire to help you file for those, for filing your property taxes on a protest or protest property taxes filing. It's a lot. Anyways, so you can do that. And or of course you can do it yourself. What you can do is look at the homes that they are comparing you to. If you know that there was a new roof that was replaced on the house that you're being compared to, or they got new flooring done, new windows installed, all those things, you need to see if you can see if they're truly comparing apples to apples. And if there is work that you had to get done on your house, keep your receipts. All that stuff you want to do, you want to keep with you to help support your case. And if you can, get in front of the county and file that appeal in person. These are a couple of ways that I found that have been successful. A couple of years ago, I was able to save us 17,000 on our property assessment. I think that was a huge success for us. This year, I don't see that happening, but we can definitely give it a try. And worst case, at least we have our homestead exemption that we have filed for our home. Anyways, I hope this was something that can help you guys. If you are having any questions on your real estate needs, or if you need to get in contact with a CPA, anything like that, I have a Rolodex of contacts that I know that are ready and willing to help you guys out. My link is here on the screen. I look forward to getting in contact with you and helping you guys stay within our community. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.